A control animal carries its weight evenly on its forepaws, with paw placement occurring just outside the midline of the body. In contrast, the 6-OHDA lesion animal carries the majority of its weight on the paw ipsilateral to the lesion, in effect walking with a limp. The control animal's head is carried high and engages in frequent erratic movement, while the 6-OHDA animal carries its head low and steady. The control animal's weight-bearing paw releases from the rotorod quickly and is carried high so the digits are well clear of the drum surface. Its digits spread wide and contact the rotorod in an arpeggio movement from digit 5 through 1. The 6-OHDA animal rides the paw contralateral to the lesion longer before release and advances it more slowly. Note it carries the paw low, with the digits often dragging on the drum surface, which compromises the placement. The control has a longer stride than the 6-OHDA animal, with forepaw placement occurring further forward on the drum and hindpaw release occurring further back. Note that the lesion animal's posture is rigid with the head carried low and steady. The control's hindpaw typically overlaps the forepaw during a complete stride. From the side view, the control's paw is raised clear from the rotorod, and the digits contact the drum surface in an arpeggio movement from digit 5 through 1. The 6-OHDA animal's paw often drags along the drum surface, and the digits often do not open for placement, causing them to fold under the paw. As the control animal's hind limb pushes off the rotorod surface, the paw rotates to the outside. There is a corresponding rise in the backside of the rat as the leg extends. There is little to no rise during the same phase of the 6-OHDA animal's step. The control animal places its hind paws with the toes just outside the midline axis of the body. As the paw reaches the end of the stride, the paw pivots outward as the animal pushes off the drum surface. Note that the 6-OHDA animal's paws are placed directly parallel with the midline axis of the body and do not pivot at the end of the stride.